and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about easy DIY hacks for cleaning your bathroom. These are amazing DIY cleaning hacks that actually work. So if you're interested in seeing these hacks, keep on watching. My very first hack is to make toilet cleaning balms. It's super simple, all natural, and truly does wonders at getting your toilets clean with minimum hassle. To make these, you will combine 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of citric acid, and 1.5 tablespoons of Dr. Bronner's soap in a bowl with a whisk. You can also add in essential oils for added scent. Once combined, gently press the mixture into a silicone ice tray. Let the ice tray sit out overnight or pop them into the freezer for 1 hour. After the mixture has set and are ready, simply drop one into your toilet bowl and wait for it to finish fizzing. Once it has stopped fizzing, you can run your toilet brush around the rim and flush. It's as simple as that. Hack number 2 is to fill a plastic baggie with vinegar. Then, using a rubber band, tie the baggie around your shower head. Leave the baggie tied up for about an hour or so and then rinse. This will remove all of the hard water buildup and increase your shower head flow. The third hack is to use a lemon to clean and polish the chrome finishings in your bathroom. Simply rub half a lemon on any of your bathroom fixtures to remove water stains and polish the finish. Hack number 4 is another way to help bring out the shine in your fixtures by soaking rags in vinegar and then wrapping them around your faucet. Allow the rags to sit for several minutes and then wipe clean. This helps reduce the need to scrub in order to remove water stains and leave your faucets shiny and clean. This 5th hack will remove any stubborn stain around the basin of your tub. A magic eraser will tackle and remove these stains with little to no elbow grease required. Every time I use this hack, I'm amazed at how white and clean my tub looks. Hack number 6 is to fill a dish wand with half vinegar and half Dr. Bronner's soap. I leave this wand in my shower to help keep it clean on a daily basis. This hack has saved me so much time and effort at keeping my shower always looking clean. Hack number 7 will solve your problem at a stuck drain. When you find your drain stopper to have been stuck down, simply take a suction cup like this one I found at the dollar store to pull out the sink plug. This is also a great hack to use if you just want to pull out the drain stopper to clean. And that's it. Those are my favorite DIY cleaning hacks for keeping my bathroom super clean and making the process a total breeze. Let me know if you end up trying out any of these hacks in the comments below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!